Dremel Idea Builder 3D Printer Review. Dremel releases a mass-market 3D printer. Dremel introduces the Dremel 3D Idea Builder, the most user-friendly 3D printing experience on the market. This adds a new dimension to the brand's robust portfolio of versatile tool systems. The Idea Builder is yet another high-quality, easy-to-use tool from Dremel designed to inspire and empower the end user to build on their own ideas with the support and mentorship of the Dremel experts. Through a strategic partnership with Autodesk, Incorporated, Dremel will provide pre-print-ready 3D models and simple design tools. Dremel 3D will enable people to take 3D printing to new levels, from imaginative projects for the home, to inventive projects that may impact the world. Makers have been using Dremel tools to make three-dimensional creations with cutting tools for generations. Key product features of the Dremel 3D Idea Builder include easy-to-use functionality, intuitive print software for simple customization of 3D models, pre-installed extruder for fast out-of-the-box use, print-ready model portfolio provided by Dremel and Autodesk to kickstart the building process. World-class product support and mentorship via the Dremel experts. Full-featured tool. Full-color touchscreen and onboard print software for standalone operation when needed. Best-in-class print resolution, 100 micron, for fine printing detail. Large, removable build platform for larger prints and projects. Family and environmentally friendly. PLA filament in 10 vibrant colors are plant-based, recyclable and renewable. UL certified to assure quality and safety. Energy-saving mode reduces environmental impact and wasted energy. The Dremel 3D Idea Builder is more than just a 3D printer, it includes an ecosystem of features and services designed to nurture both novice and advanced users. The Idea Builder itself is a single extruder printer in a self-contained package. Lightweight with a solid feel, it has a sleek plastic exterior, a detachable blue lid, and 2 removable panels on each side. Its build measures 230mm by 150mm by 140mm. With a clever removable bed to simplify model extraction. There's no heated platform. The molded interior of the machine includes a recessed semi-cylindrical filament spool holder on the left side of the build platform. Placing the filament inside the machine reduces the footprint and gives the overall impression of fewer moving parts. It's fun for family, safe for the family room or bedroom. To purchase Dremel Idea Builder 3D printer, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.